welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to draw eye shape. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. For practicing the human eye shape, we just need a piece of paper, a ruler and a pencil. So first we just have to draw a circle, then draw a horizontal line passing through the circle. I'm drawing it outside of the circle and creating a deep U shape. You can draw other shape as well. The next step is to draw the upper eyelid. It's go up across and then down, ending at the intersection. Where the circle and the straight line meet, just extend your stroke. The top eyelid almost always has a deeper curve in between the top eyelid and the straight line. We can draw the crease by following the general shape of the top eyelid. Let's end it above the straight line. Now the tail of your crease can go in any direction. The next step is to draw the iris. For sizing, I am using ruler. Here the length is of 4 cm and I want to divide it on 4 equal sections. So I am giving 1 cm to each section. That's how wide the iris will be roughly. I am drawing the ticks on the eyeball to make the iris width or diameter. And then draw a full circle. Even if go outside of the eye boundary, this will ensure that the iris is indeed a circle, not a lazily drawn pair of bracket shapes. You can always use the geometrical tools to create a perfect circle. Let's erase all the unnecessary lines and such. And here we have our eye. Let me give you some more examples. This time instead of drawing a Q shape, let's change it up with V shape. Again it sits outside the circle with a straight line going through it. You can draw any shape you want, just make sure that the outer corner ends at the intersection. Even if we are drawing an eye that is very narrow, almost closed, it's a good idea to draw a full circle anyway. Once you know how big to draw the iris, you can draw it anywhere you want. So these are the 6 main eye shapes. This one is my eye shape and these are the eye shapes I have drawn. You can try drawing more and more for your practice. Thank you so much for watching my video.